Welcome back. Bumblebee is still leading the pack. Unfortunately, it is not the end for this little engine that could. We have had a late start on day one because of the misfortunes the yellow CJ has been having. So we were determined to cover ground and complete this trail. It was a beautiful day. Scenic views, fresh air, and hearing the birds chirp was the cherry on top. I'm not sure if you can hear them in the background. I'll stay quiet a bit, and I'll let you listen to the raw sound on the video. Well, we hit a mile marker, 1.5 miles. I couldn't believe how long it took us to reach this point. But we were moving along and covering ground nicely. Uh-oh, we see Bumblebee. Now, because of bad gas and carburetor issues, the Bumblebee was having a little issue climbing up this hill. So Dan, as you see up ahead, he's going up so that Bumblebee has a winching point and help him get up this hill. And I'm having a little trouble because I am going up this hill on a stick shift. Well, further up ahead, we're going to be reaching Walker Hill, and Bumblebee has another misfortune. So tune in next week and find out what happened. Don't forget to subscribe to get your notification, comment, and like.
The little engine that could.